Dhruv on strike though for the moment. Cuts and cuts well. The boundary rider running around and a bit of a misfield. That's gone for 4. 10 of 2 deliveries, 6 of the previous over, 4 of the first ball of the 14th over. A little bit of momentum coming the Bulldozers' way.
Yeah, the ball just dipping for the very last second, but it was a smart shot by Dhruv. And yes, it should have been only 2. That's much better than playing in the air. Not that Chennai have taken their catches today. Is that going to be another 2? No, just the 1. The required run rate dips just a bit to 9.3, but it's still pretty dangerous. They'll need a couple of big overs to get down to maybe 7, which is manageable in the last 3 or 4 overs. And Dhruv once again limping along. So this is again not good. Rajeev against the skipper Vishal. Should be a good battle. Long on, long off in place. Deep mid wicket too. I'll keep it down, Rajeev, to begin with. Still opportunities for the Bulldozers, but I would still say if Rajeev were to go, it's all Rhinos.
Cut and cut well. Boundary to Rajeev. No chance for the fielders there. Cut hard, found the gap. This is a blank hop.
But I was waxing eloquent about Rajeev, and now you know. Maybe I had a cause too. Well, the camp is delighted. Could be close. Maybe drifting down leg. But Rajeev completely overbalancing on that fuller delivery.
And you can see the desperation in the Chennai Rhinos appeal. They know Rajeev's the man. They know he holds the key to this game.
Yeah, but you can't bowl badly to him. Anything really short, slightly wide will be punished. A half volley outside off stump will be driven. Very good bat, Rajeev. Short. And he didn't quite connect. We've got to say we'll still pick up 2 easy runs. But he would look for more on that. Oh, perhaps just 1. That was poorly run.
The game's gone to overdrive. Captain Sudeep seems to be a bit nervous. A wide.
I say smartly kept by the keeper. Well down leg. He spotted it quickly and dived to his left. Good stop.